Okay, so since my computer decided to crash on me in the middle of recording the previous episode, I've restarted my computer. I've closed out some stuff. Got exit all apps here. To exit Razor Central. Gotta close out OneDrive. There we go. And I'm gonna find the studio. Open it up. And my goal is to open it and then, I don't know why it still wants to start back up. I'm just gonna open the location and open up the studio. Now I'm safe. To terminate Explorer. And now I do have an auto recovery. Just gotta find it. Autosaves. There we go. That's the one that was recorded before the crash happened. Bubble chat configuration here. I'm just gonna start back up. So where I was like, one sec, letting it start up here. And here's where I was. Oh, unbind to action with the capital B. That's weird. Unbind action. Unbind action. Unbind action. Okay, fixing it up. Now there's an error at 80°. Video upload prompt behavior is not a valid member of user game settings. Gotta fix that up. Oh, wrong one. I meant to do record at line 80°. I'm gonna default it to there. So now, I cannot show leaf confirmation. I have to go onto line 1070°. This is some code I don't want here. And instead of F9, I'm going to have F8 open up the dev console. And I do have a chat box. And I can type, send a message here in modern Roblox. But when I try to do any type of interaction, on the keyboard, it does this error. Cannot core GUI changed signal. Get out of here. Good. Let's say the health is enabled. And the backpack is enabled. You can change these depending on your game. Which core GUIs are enabled. And here, 1220, I'm not gonna eat/release them. Doesn't affect user input service, that's good. Now I cannot friend status changed. This is one thing that's only core script only. I mean, that's core script only. Just remove this whole block of code. There we go. Now we have the player list in here. But there's still this error. On line 1747. I meant to type 7. I'm just gonna say that is true. Do it enabled here. So now Roblox replicated storage is not a valid name. But first I gotta fix this error at 1284. I'm gonna ignore this. Here. And remove this block of code. We'll just set chat enabled to true. Now I gotta make the Roblox replicated storage. I'm just gonna go to the model insert script. Run script. Just so that I can open up the file in Notepad. So see how I have this Explorer. This is useful. So that I don't have to start up the Windows Explorer. And here's the server starter script. We first need server social script. Gonna edit this with Notepad++. Copy everything from here. Then make a new script in server script service. Here, server core scripts /server social script.lua. Again, you don't need this name. So now local Roblox replicated storage equals instance.new folder. Gonna set this name. And then put it in replicated storage. So now, in here it'll make a new folder. Also, I'm gonna have to do the same thing here and do this with the server core and with the server starter script. So I'm gonna go here, here, and open this up. So now, server starter script.lua. Again, you don't need this name. Just gonna remove this check. Is Roblox replicated storage. Wait for child. New follower. Equals game.replicated storage. Wait for child Roblox replicated storage. Okay. So now I've gotten those cleared up. But we still need some other stuff. Like sound service we need. So in here, make a new module script called sound service and make a return the sound service. And for Roblox replicated storage, I'm gonna copy the name. Return game dot replicate storage. Wait for child Roblox replicated storage. So now I cannot set global GUI set. That's an error on line 126. Of the top bar file. I mean script. Do not set the global GUI set, because Roblox always sets that. Don't do it in that file, or else you'll get an error. And there we go. Now, it doesn't really work right now. And there's no chat thing, no chat thing, no chat icon. I'm gonna fix some errors here. So I'm gonna remake this. I'm gonna do a bindable event, changed, return a table, selected core object equals nil equals nil. Game dot answers dot render step connect function. Last selected object equals and I have to do local t equals return t before and after equals t dot selected core object selected core object underscore equals nil. Change selected core object equals function. New selected and here I'm gonna do selected core object underscore equals new selected. And now I have to do selected core object here. And now script dot changed event fire script dot changed event. Wait, no. And also have to do selected core object changed equals script dot changed event dot event. Get selected core object equals function. Return selected core object of GUI service colon get selected core object. It's called get selected core object. So I'm actually gonna make use of it So copy it into here. Change selected core object nil. So this is gonna be quite a lot of changes here. But I only have to do it in starter GUI. And that brings it down to 89. Equals GUI service change selected core object, the friend label. And here I have to add closing parentheses to here, to all of these. So here, 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 also here, here, here. All these errors mean that there's I didn't something that's not, that doesn't have the closing parentheses. I'm gonna do one thing. Here's like a load of them, a load of errors. So I'm gonna have to fix all of these, and I'll put the fixed one in the description. Maybe. Then I'm gonna game a lowercase g here. Box nil value frame box nil value frame it's also row frame. I'm gonna have you make all these changes. Because you have to do the work. If you want to get something like mine. Okay. Change here. Here. It's only like a few more that we have to do, so that's okay. Okay, and I've did all of them, hopefully. Might have skipped a few. Yep. Services done. GUI service. Get selected core object. So now I'm gonna have to do is 10-foot interface equals function return game.GUI service is 10-foot interface. So now I can like check if they had like the 10-foot interface on. Add selection parent equals function end. I'm gonna do the same with tuple and group, but this time it's remove selection group. These are just some placeholders. There we go. With change selected core object. Change selected core object. Settings page factory 149. Oh, this is weird. GUI service.GUI service. GUI service. Just find I'll replace all with that stuff instead. So that should be a lot better. See? And I can't do this stuff here yet. Oops, wrong one. Utility at 551 is an error. So now, when it's changed to do the stuff it needs to. So now it should be a lot better. And I can do this. Resetting works, but I'm not hiding some of the core GUIs here. So this is why where we are. So game dot start GUI set core GUI enable enum dot core GUI type dot all true. I'm gonna copy this line and go all the way to the bottom and paste it, but this time it's false. So, I'm gonna get the lines we need to fix here, or remove. So game settings, 2G6, and wait, I can remove this connection here. Now, 304, but it's way further here. So, finally 399. I think it's 376. No. These are the ones I need to fix. I'm going to remove this one. Now it's a lot better. And it's cleaner once it loads up. This is where we are now. Let's make some more buttons. So here, use new. Nope. Chat icon. In here, I need to add them into here. So on core GUI changed. enum.core GUI type all true. Let's just spoof like that. All of them have suddenly turned on now. Let's just pretend. I can't chat mode. There's a backpack. This is the non-core script backpack. But we still need the chat icon. 1674. So 3D chat icon. I don't know why it's like that. That's weird. And I don't have that username container for some reason. Let me find why. I'm not showing that username container. Not showing it. Okay. I'm just saying that all the core GUIs are always enabled. You can change like if they are spoofed as enabled or not. But now we need the chat bar. Once I like offset in the bar alignment here, like to be like 50 to the right if it's on the left. So now here it is. It's properly offset. So, and also you can see like the sound group here, but this chat is overlapping. And I also have to check like if it's like the correct sound, if it should be that sound group. The volume change. I'm just gonna do like a workaround by not setting the volume, so I won't have to write some lines to check. I don't know why it's... Wait, let me find the sound. It is being set to that sound group, but on here I have to do in the game. Here. That way, I won't have to write a lot of redundant code. And now you can hear it decreasing, and I did it on itself. So if I do like half here, I'm gonna like do this. You can hear it's quieter. One, really quiet. That's one benefit of sound groups. They can change the sound volume of everything. So now, in here, I need one important thing. Chat bar. I think it just gets disabled if it's non-core script mode enabled. If chat bar disabled. Non-core script mode will optimize it for being not using the core script, which is pretty helpful. And now there's a chat bar, but I can't use slash to focus it yet. So I'm gonna write some code. This dot chat. Wait, no. GUI root dot chat bar container dot focus. No. Just click capture focus. Gonna have that line. game.user input service, no, game get service, user input service, dot input begin connect function input, if input dot key code is enum dot key code dot slash then input endosser game process. Oops, I spelled that wrong. Event. If game, no, we're not gonna loop it. And not game process event then. So I'm gonna capture focus after I wait one render tick, so I don't immediately input that. So game.run service.render step to wait. So now if I press slash, oh, I meant to do it in the .chat bar. Wait, focus chat bar. I can just do that. Capture focus. So now I want to capture it. And I'm going to do focus this colon focus chat bar. And I don't know why it's like that, but just ignore it. It'll actually work. It's just a false warning. And now I have to implement chat. So in replicated storage, add a new folder called remote and focus lost. I want to send it. Game.replicate storage.remote dot say message request fire say server. So now I want to do this dot chat bar container dot chat bar dot text. I haven't implemented it, so chat remote. So want to add a new folder called chat remotes and not a new folder, but a remote event called say message request. So now in here, I want to add a new folder, chat handler, and in the chat you want to turn off bubble chat enabled, which it already is for this place. So now local replicated storage equals game.replicate storage local remote equals replicate storage.remote local chat remote equals remote dot chat remotes dot same message request on server event connect function player who chatted, and then message. So now I also have to define the text service. Because game.text service. Text service colon filter string async. And I have to do local filtered text equals, and also have to do it, pcall function local filtered string equals just that. Local message, local filtered equals nil. Filtered string equals filtered get, and also I have to fill in some stuff. So the string is just a message from user ID, player who chatted dot user ID, item dot text filter context dot public chat equals filtered colon get non chat string for broadcast async. If, and also have to do local success error MSG equals, if success is true, then did filter successfully. I don't know how to spell it. Just gonna spell it like that. Game dot chat. So player who chatted dot character message, and then enum dot chat color dot white. That'll give us the old bubble chat. Not the new one. As long as you don't have the what's it called, the bubble chat enabled set to true, it'll be the old one. Inner background. Gotta do dot inner background here. There we go. Now, I'm still not working. $13.84. Oh, I did it in the wrong order. That's weird. .chatbar.text. Okay, and I have to set up the handler, for if they've chatted. So I'm gonna do a new remote event. Player chatted, and now I have to do in here game.player chatted. Chat remote dot player chatted fire all clients, and we're just taking the raw message right now. Let's take the filtered string. Player who chatted in the filtered and the filtered string. So I'm now taking the filtered one. So it still works, and filtering doesn't run in Roblox Studio, but it does run in Roblox itself. Just not in like this in with this clients and servers test. It does run in a team test though, but not when I'm just running it on my computer. So now I have to handle it in the chat. So, chatted, connect, and game.applicationStorage.remotes.chat. Remotes. Wait, I should. I'm going to do on client event connect function player message. This on player chatted enum dot player chat type dot all player msg nil because no one's receiving it. And I was supposed to do message here. There we go. So when a player's message was successfully filtered, it will appear in here. So I can also use the non-core script backpack, and I still can't set mouse sensitivity. I'm gonna fix that before I end off this video. So now I can still chat. That works. And now if I set it, it won't give any errors. And I'm gonna change my graphics quality to see if that'll work. Now if it doesn't get the request, that's okay. It's not really doing anything. And here's just the one I set. So I hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll give downloads to this, like some of the scripts, like the script for the Learn library, and also the Roblox the Roblox Studio in the description. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and bye.